show you something funny.
I'm trying to. I gotta start the vlog.
Turn it off.
Okay. Where are we? We're at the Minneapolis Mile. I'm just showing you guys this. I'm not gonna walk around and show you guys everything, but Ratified is the Audi sponsor here for this show. Super sick show. It's huge. First of all, it goes all the way down there and all the way around here. But we're just doing this before we go out tonight. I just wanted to show you cool stuff. Cars look great in this lighting. That's all I had to say. We're pretty much wrapped up here, and now I'll see you guys tonight.
A few moments later.
What's up, guys? You guys see who we're with? We're Stephan and Becca. I'll plug them as usual. The out-of-state Audis that represent Ratified. These are our rides tonight. My girlfriend's with Becca and I'm with Stephan. We'll see. We got some digs to do. We got some cars to fuck up. This thing's a monster. But yeah. So that's I think you guys saw it last time. It's an IMS850 car, but it's like one of the fastest IMS850 cars I've ever seen. Those are our rides tonight. We're gonna go get down. Let's do it. All right, we're here. This is what we got going on. This thing looks fast. This thing's fast. That's a Ratified 850 car. You guys seen that? 911 with some bigger turbos. I don't know all these cars, but there's some cool stuff. Some faster cars over there. That's 2,000 horsepower GTR. Why did you do that?
You missed the whole story.
Oh, you were just talking about it? What up?
How you doing, dude?
Not too bad. How about yourself?
Is this yours now?
No. So, there's some cool cars here, but we'll see what happens. We'll see who wants to get down and see if we can get any runs in. are at the dig spot. You can see everybody coming in still. We'll see if we can get some digs. I know these two are getting that rerun from the last video if you guys have been here since.
Alright, I'm gonna pull you in and then I'm gonna back up and go like this and then do this, get on your two-step and then I'll hit the light, okay?
Alright, you're good.
Stop.
Holy fuck! I was not ready for that. That thing's loud too. Police officer. See if we can hit some more rolls or something and go to the next dig spot. A little wet here today. Not for us. Holy fuck! What the fuck is going on here? Oh, they got someone right there. Oh, they're running. What is this? What the fuck, yo? They got him? That's crazy! I totally thought they were blocking the road on us.
So did I, dude. I'm like, dude, they got us blocked in. What the
Holy shit!
We should be clear for a little bit here.
Yeah, they got some bigger problems.
Dude, everyone's bugging back there, I bet.
Dig spot number 2. Eesh. Ratified Sisio 800. Where is she? Oh, she's already down there. Full bolt on Unitronic TTRS. Shit, son.
Make sure I can get this stuff done.
$25 PSI, dude.
Yeah, go down to 20.
Yeah, you got to set a dial, dude. IMS850, IMS850, but like first gen and second gen kits. So we'll see. Giving him the hit.
Hold on, I gotta clean my tires off.
Whatever, do what you gotta do.
Holy fuck.
I think I'm still gonna spin. On your go!
Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah, you are spinning like a motherfucker. Alright guys, well you saw that. We gave him the hit. We were gonna run Eddie again, but he had a vacuum line pop off his turbo housing, so overboosting issues, don't want to deal with that.
Eddie wants to try again.
Eddie does?
Yeah. Eddie wants to try. Cut down it.
Eddie wants to try again.
Try me?
Okay, maybe we might still run Eddie, but besides that, hang on. That's a good dazzle race right there. We out of here. That's it for tonight. Shout out Stephan and Becca. We had a great time. Until next time. You guys know the vibes. We out.
H2O, you made.
Wait, hold on.